So here the question is find the real and imaginary parts of complex number 1 plus 3i by 1 plus I. So first we take the conjugate of denominator. Conjugate of denominator. Here what is the conjugate? That is denominator is 1 plus I. So that is conjugate of 1 plus I. If we have a plus, then we written as minus. So multiply and divided by the conjugate. Multiply and divided by the conjugate. So this process is called the rationalization by denominator. Rationalization by denominator. That is, we get that 1 plus 3i by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I. So that is nothing but 1 plus 3i into 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So we have a form a plus b into a minus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. We get that 1 into 1 minus I plus 3i into 1 minus I by this is nothing but 1 square minus I square, and this is equal to 1 minus I plus 3i minus 3i square by 1 minus I square. So just we substitute that I square is equal to minus 1. So therefore this is nothing but 1 minus I plus 3i minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 minus of minus 1. We get that 1 minus I, this is 1 plus 2i plus 3 by 2. So we get that 4 plus 2i by 2, that is nothing but 2 plus I, and this is compared to that a plus bi, and a is equal to real part, that is 2, and b is equal to imaginary part, that is equal to 1. So first, how can we do this problem? Just we recall that one. The question is, we need to find the real and imaginary parts of 1 plus 3i by 1 plus I. So first, or it will be converted in the form of a plus bi. So both questions are same. So in this model, just we take the rationalization by the denominator. Rationalization nothing but we take the conjugate of the denominator. Here the conjugate of the 1 plus I nothing but 1 minus I. If we have a plus, then we take a minus. So multiply and divided by the conjugate. So then we get that 1 plus 3i by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I. And we simplify it. The basic formula is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And we need I square is equal to minus 1. Substitute the values and we simplify it. Finally we get that 2 plus I. So in this 2 plus I will be compared to that a plus bi. The a is equal to real part and b is called the imaginary part. The values are 2 and 1. Okay, and the next question is, find the real and imaginary parts of 3 minus 4i into 5 plus 7i. Solution is 3 minus 4i into 5 plus 7i, that is equal to, so we multiply this 3 into 5 plus 7i minus 4i into 5 plus 7i. So we get that 3 into 15 plus 21i minus 20i minus 28i square, and we know that I square value is equal to minus 1. So therefore we get that 15 plus I minus 28 minus 1, get 15 plus 28 plus I. So that is nothing but 43 plus I, which will compare that a plus bi form. So here that a is equal to real part, that is equal to 43, and b is equal to imaginary part, that is equal to 1. So how we do that? First he multiplied by this basic simplification, that is 3 into 5 plus 7i minus 4i into 5 plus 7i, and we simplify that part. In this one we needed that I square value is equal to minus 1. Finally we get that 43 plus I, which is in the form of a plus bi. A is called the real part, that value is equal to 43, and b is called the imaginary part, the value is equal to 1. And next, find the modulus of the complex number. The third question is find the modulus of 3 plus 4i by 1 plus 7i. So here we write as if we have a form mod of z1 by z2, z1 z2 are the two complex numbers, separate the two modulus value, that is mod z1 by mod z2. So therefore mod of 3 plus 4i by 1 plus 7i can be written as mod of 3 plus 4i by mod of 1 plus 7i. So we know that mod of a plus b, that is nothing but root of a square plus b square. So we get that this is a basic formula. This is nothing but 3 square plus 4 square root by root of 1 square plus 7 square. So therefore this is nothing but root 25 by root 50. This is equal to 5 by, this is nothing but 25 into 2. And finally we get that 5 by 5 root 2. 5 cancelled. Therefore the what is that? That is the answer is 1 by root 2. So we have it that find the modulus of 3 plus 4i by 1 plus 7i. The form is mod of z1 by z2, that is nothing but mod z1 by mod z2, and mod of a plus bi nothing but a root of a square plus b square, and we simplify. Finally we get that 1 by root 2. And next the fourth one, find the modulus of modulus of 3 plus 2i into 1 plus 2i. So therefore we need a formula mod of z1 into z2, that is nothing but a mod z1 into mod z2. These are the basic two formulas. So therefore mod of 3 plus 2i into 1 plus 2i that is equal to mod of 3 plus 2i into mod of 1 plus 2i. And we know that a plus bi, mod of a plus bi, that is nothing but a root of a square plus b square, that is a root of 3 square plus 2 square into root of 1 square plus 2 square. Finally we get that 9 plus 4 into 1 plus 4. So that is root 13 into root 5. This can be written as root of 13 into 5. This is root 65. We have a form that is root AB can be written as root A into root B. Okay, so that here the basic formula is mod of Z1 into Z2 equal to mod Z1 into mod Z2, and we simplify that mod of A plus BI equal to root of A square plus B square, and we simplify, finally we get that root 65. Next, take conjugate of conjugate of 3 minus 4i by 2i. So first, for this problem, this is can be written as, for easy method, 3 minus 4i by 2i can be written as 0 plus 2i is convert into rationalization, is convert into a plus ba. So therefore rationalization, rationalize by denominator, rationalize by denominator. So multiply and divided by the conjugate of denominator, multiply and divided by conjugate of denominator. So we get a 3 minus 2i by 0 plus 2i into 0 minus 2i by 0 minus 2i. So we get that 3 minus 4i into minus 2i, 2i into minus 2i. So we get that minus 6i plus 8i square minus 4i square minus 6i minus I square equal to minus 1 and minus 4 into minus 1. If you take that minus is a common, that is minus 6i minus 8 by 4, that is nothing but a minus 6i by 4 minus 8 by 4. 2 to jar 3 jar, that is nothing but a minus 3 by 2i and minus 2. So we get that minus 2 minus 3 by 2i. Take conjugate of minus 2 minus 3 by 2i. So we have a minus, that is nothing but we get a plus. This is the answer. So in this, for solving this any problem, we have different methods, but here the basic one is, if we have that, if you need to conjugate 3 minus 4i by 0 plus 2i, take rationalize, convert into the form of a plus bi, and after that we find this conjugate. If we have a plus, then we written as a minus. If we have a minus, then we written as a plus. So here the conjugate of the denominator is 0 minus 2i, and multiply and divided by the 0 minus 2i, we get that, and we simplify, finally we simplify that, we get minus 2 minus 3 by 2 into I. Next, find the additive and multiplicative inverse of, find find additive and multiplicative inverse of 4 plus 3a. The solution z equal to 4 plus 3a. Next, additive inverse. So additive is nothing but addition. For plus, what is the opposite of inverse? Is nothing but opposite. Plus, for plus, the opposite of z equal to inverse of z. Inverse of z equal to, that is minus z. That is nothing but minus of 4 plus 3a. Minus of 4 plus 3. And multiplicative inverse is that is nothing but a 1 by z. That is 1 by of 4 plus 3 by a. And we have that if there is 1 by a plus bi, this is nothing but a minus bi by a square plus b square. That is inverse of z. 1 by z, that equal to 1 by z. Okay, so this is 1 by so the z is equal to a plus bi. We need to find that 1 by z, that is nothing but 1 by a plus bi. What is that one? A minus bi by a square plus b square. And similarly we get that here 4 minus 3i by 4 square plus 3 square. So finally we get that 4 minus 3i by 16 plus 9. That is 4 minus 3i by 25. Okay, this is a multiplicative inverse. For additive inverse is nothing but a minus z. For multiplicative inverse is nothing but a 1 by z. So for 1 by z, the basic formula is a minus bi by a square plus b square. And addition to is nothing but a minus z only. And next one. Find the modulus amplitude. Find modulus amplitude form, or put in bracket, it is nothing but a polar form, minus of root 3 minus I. So here the solution is the polar form. Modulus, first it is written as a modulus. If there is z equal to a plus bi, mod z equal to root of a square plus b square. So therefore z equal to minus root 3 minus I. From that mod z equal to root of minus root 3 whole square plus of minus 1 whole square. That is nothing but a 3 plus 1, that is equal to 2. This is mod z. And next amplitude. Amplitude or argument. So both are same. So that is nothing but theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a. Tan inverse of b by a. That is equal to theta equal to tan inverse of b. That is nothing but a minus 1 by minus root 3. So we compare that a plus b a equal to minus root 3 minus I. So from that a equal to minus root 3 and b equal to minus 1. So finally we get that theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 in tan, nothing but a tan 30. Tan 30. So therefore it is nothing but a pi by 6. Therefore theta equal to pi by 6. For polar form or modulus amplitude form equal to, that is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R, what is the value of r? 2 into cos theta value equal to pi by 6 plus I sin into theta value pi by 6. Just we substitute the theta value, substitute modulus and amplitude. This is a 1 and this is 2 and it is 3. That is substitute 1 and 2 in 3. Here the main question is we need to find the modulus amplitude form, and this is the most important, polar form, minus root 3 minus I. So here that modulus is nothing but z equal to a plus b, mod z nothing but a root of a square plus b square, and we simplify the mod z equal to 2. And next amplitude is same as the argument. The formula is theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. So we compare that a plus b a equal to minus root 3 minus I, from that a equal to minus root 3 and b equal to minus 1. And we simplify, we get that pi by 6. We taken as the first one modulus equal to 1 and amplitude equal to 2. And the polar form is modulus amplitude form. Modulus r into amplitude cos theta plus I sin theta. Just we substitute the values of r and theta. So this form is called the polar form. Polar form is nothing but, so r into cos theta plus I sin theta. And we do the next problem. One minus I root 3. Polar form of one minus I root 3. So the solution is first you written as a polar form. What is the polar form? That is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. First we need to find r. Find r and theta. R is nothing but a modulus, that is nothing but a mod z, nothing but a mod of I minus root 3. That is nothing but a square plus b square form, nothing but a root of 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square. We get that 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. And next theta is nothing but amplitude, that is nothing but a theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. Here it's compared to that 1 minus I root 3 will be compared to that a plus bi form. So therefore it is nothing but a tan inverse of minus root 3 by a value is 1, nothing but a tan inverse of minus root 3. So we get that minus tan inverse of root 3. So we get that minus tan inverse of root 3. When it is root 3, that is nothing but a pi by 6. If we have a minus pi by 6, pi by, this is tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but 90, and we have a minus sign is included. So this is nothing but minus pi by 3. So we get that pi minus pi by 3. We get 2 pi minus pi by 3. Finally we get that pi by 3. So therefore, what is the theta? That is nothing but pi by 3. So the 3 pi, 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3. Therefore this is equal to theta, and theta equal to theta equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore this is a 1, this is 2, this is 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. We get that polar form, that equal to r into, that is 2 into cos theta, cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Okay, so what we do that, here we do the polar form. The polar form is nothing but r into cos theta plus I sin theta. We need to find under theta. So r is nothing but a modulus, that is nothing but a mod z, and mod of 1 minus I root 3. So the form is root of a square plus b square. We get that 2. And amplitude equal to tan inverse of b by a, nothing but a tan inverse of minus root 3. If we have a minus, c is included, so we remove from pi. That is, we get that pi minus tan root 3. When it is root 3 becomes root 3 is nothing but a tan 60. 60 can be written as pi by 3, and we simplify, we get that 2 pi by 3. So therefore substitute this 2 and 3 in 1, we get that the polar form equal to 2 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3.